captivating warmth that beckons the holiday maker, verdant landscapes providing the perfect habitat for natural elements, and a vibrant people home to reggae music and the world's greatest sprinters. But Jamaica's potential far exceeds the obvious.
It is a sophisticated business environment ready for business.
And to market that aspect of Brand Jamaica,
it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the launch of the Jamaica Investment Forum for 2015.
Let's do business.
The Jamaica Investment Forum JIF 2015 is Jamaica's international investment and business conference which will provide investors with detailed information on business opportunities in the country. JIF, which is being organized by Jamaica Promotions Jampro, will run from March 10 through 12 at the Montego Bay Convention Center in St. James.
Which will bring together about 150 global C-suite investors from identified growth sectors of the Jamaican economy, including tourism, logistics, manufacturing, business process outsourcing, agribusiness, and international financial services. We will immerse these international investors in a forum that pairs carefully constructed plenary and breakout sessions with ample opportunity for networking and experiencing the Jamaican business proposition.
Investors from as far as Turkey, Dubai, and South Africa have already booked their spots for the investment forum. JIF was first held in 2012 and 3 years later, one headline sponsor, the Inter-American Development Bank IDB, thinks the Jamaican economy has improved, making the business climate more attractive to investors.
What's different in 2015 is the enabling macroeconomic environment, which I think everybody would realize this government has come a long way in stabilizing the macroeconomic situation. There's still a long way to go, but I think that has set Jamaica on a very different path.
In October 2014, the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business report showed that Jamaica was ranked 58 among 189 worldwide economies. And later in December 2014, the influential Forbes magazine ranked Jamaica as the best country in the Caribbean to do business and the third in Latin America and the Caribbean. Plus, business and consumer confidence have increased. These were all possible through structural changes implemented under Jamaica's economic reform program. The 2012 staging of JIF was more than just a talk shop.
I remember engaging in conversation with the Sutherland Global investors at the forum in 2012 to discuss the possibilities of them setting up the operations in Jamaica. Out of that meeting, Sutherland Global made the decision to locate its Global Delivery Center at the University of the West Indies Mona campus by July of that year.
The center was officially opened in December 2013, and by all indications, stakeholders are looking to seal more business deals at this year's hosting of the Jamaica Investment Forum. For those who might be concerned about the returns, just ask the Chief Executive Officer of Digicel Jamaica.
We have built a global business out of here. We're founded out of here. We feel Jamaican. Literally, we're a $3 billion US company per annum now in 32 different markets with our roots firmly here in Jamaica. If there are direct foreign investors, we're more than happy to talk to them. We're more than happy, to sell brand Jamaica, to convince people this is a place to do business. I mean, because it's a great place to do business.
Jamaica is well and truly open for business to the global community. We're well and truly open for local investment. I am therefore hoping for more great investments in 2015. I'm looking forward therefore to a successful Jamaica Investment Forum 2015 between the 10th and the 12th of March.
Visit Jamaica Investment Forum /2015 for more information.